Hey learners! Do you say very good, very bad, very big all the time? Thinking face, you're not alone. But today, you'll learn 50+ powerful words to sound smarter, clearer, and more confident in just 5 minutes. Let's upgrade your English. Why is very a problem? It's vague and overused. Compare. It was very good versus it was exceptional. Feel the difference? One is forgettable. The other makes people listen. Ready to ditch very? Let's learn better vocabulary. First, we will learn about feelings. Stop saying very happy, instead say ecstatic. Very angry, instead furious. Saying very sad is old, just say devastated. Or very scared, instead say terrified. Now next topic is size, swap these. Very big. Say massive or enormous. Don't say very small, say tiny or minuscule. For very full, say packed or brimming. For very empty, say deserted. Very rich, say wealthy or affluent. Instead of saying very beautiful, say stunning. Now we focus on energy, so try these. Very fast, no. Rapid or swift. Very slow, say sluggish. Very hot, it's scorching. Or very cold, it's freezing. Very tired, say exhausted. Thinking to impress with smart words. Very smart, say brilliant. Very good, say exceptional or superb. Very bad, say terrible or dreadful. Very clean, say spotless. Very dirty, new, say filthy. Learning new words? Like if you learn new words. Let's continue. Rewrite these sentences, live with me. First, the coffee was very hot. Pause and shout your answer. Pause hash. Got it? The coffee was scorching. White, have a check mark next. She's very pretty. Pause hash. Yes. She's stunning. White, have a check mark last one. I'm very tired. Pause hash. Perfect. I'm exhausted. You have done a great job. Pro tricks. Keycap 1. Use these words in writing first. It's easier. Keycap 2. Learn 2 to 3 synonyms so you don't overuse one. Keycap 3. Listen for these words in movies or podcasts. You've just upgraded your vocabulary. Rock it, like this video if it helped. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new tips every week. Comment your favorite new word. Write down pointing backhand index next video. Fix 10 common grammar.